On behalf of Todd, Ted, and the whole team at LVNV-Group, welcome. My name is Shawn Smith. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing and the co-owner of Starfire Web Design here in Las Vegas. Like LVNV-Group, we provide strategies and services to organizations across the state, the United States, and in fact globally. But I'm not here today to talk to you about Starfire Web Design. I'm here to tell you about the exciting and important work that LVNV-Group is doing. LVNV-Group dates back 20 years, but with consistent review of their services, they remain cutting edge in the industry of consulting. They have an impressive book of clients and perform various assignments across many industries and nations. LVNV-Group is an esteemed and experienced group of professionals scattered across the country, including right here in Las Vegas. Collectively, they are united around three things. First, that no one, including those of you who are CEOs, is so strong in leadership roles that there is not continuous room for growth. Second, they understand that excellence in leadership crosses industry, governmental, and societal boundaries. So if you are watching this video, you can benefit. Third, leadership excellence, although sometimes evaluated and considered an expense, is actually an investment in your organization, in your team, and certainly in your bottom line. If you'd like to learn more about LVNV-Group, just click to stop this video and you can dig right in. We at Starfire are proud to be working with LVNV-Group as their digital marketing team. But I am personally enthusiastic about working with them because I have been a business owner and a leader for over 20 years. And one of their programs speaks directly to elevating women leaders within organizations, women like me. Over the last 3 years, one of the most requested programs LVNV-Group offers is their Women Leadership Advancement Program. This program was launched in 2017 and has been conducted in organizations across the U.S. and around the world with amazing success. Think of this program as a mini MBA, but one that is tailored with great care and attention exclusively to women. The program is designed to support and elevate the very talented and capable women who are already a part of your organization. Those who have managerial roles but aspire to reach the executive level and certainly can perform such roles. This program understands that organizations offer varying levels of support and assistance from within. But this support, if available, is generally not tailored specifically to women aspiring executive leadership. LVNV-Group knows that women will benefit from and thrive in a forum dedicated just to them. Imagine if you could provide a program for women in your organization who participated voluntarily, was held in a completely confidential setting, and gave attendees the skills and confidence to perform at the highest levels. Well, imagine no more. It's here. The price makes it impossible to ignore and makes involvement virtually automatic. MBA level training and access to world-class leadership support at this price is unheard of, and I, for one, can't pass up a deal. LVNV-Group is making a difference in societal need, diversity of culture, nationality, experience, and gender advancement in organizations across the globe. As a businesswoman and a leader, I commend them for the work they are doing to encourage positive change. Your organization can only benefit from their Women Leadership Advancement Program, as well as the numerous other programs that are available. Detailed information is available right here on their website, so I'll get out of the way so you can check it out. Thank you for your time, and in support of our Vegas NFL and NHL teams, go Raiders, go Knights!